Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start web development with McDonald's, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the fundamentals of web development. Familiarize yourself with key concepts such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML is the backbone of web pages, structuring content. CSS allows you to design and style your website. JavaScript adds interactivity, enabling dynamic user experiences. Next, choose the right development tools. Text editors like Visual Studio Code or Sublime Text are highly recommended. Install a web browser for testing, such as Chrome or Firefox. Once you have your tools, create a simple project. Start by designing a basic web page layout for a McDonald's menu. Use HTML to structure the content, including headings for sections like burgers, beverages, and desserts. Style your web page using CSS to make it visually appealing. Ensure you include McDonald's branding elements, such as colors and fonts. Learn to implement responsive design to ensure your website works well on all devices. Make use of media queries in your CSS to adapt layouts for different screen sizes. Next, dive into JavaScript to add functionality. Consider integrating a simple order form that users can fill out. This enhances user interaction and provides a practical aspect to your project. As you build your skills, explore frameworks and libraries. Bootstrap can help you design responsive layouts quickly. jQuery simplifies DOM manipulation, making your scripts easier to manage. After you've developed your first project, seek feedback. Share your project with friends or peers for constructive criticism. This will help you identify areas for improvement and refine your skills. Continuously practice by working on different projects. Try recreating the McDonald's mobile app or website for additional experience. As you progress, consider hosting your projects. Use platforms like GitHub Pages or Netlify for free hosting. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.